Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Patricia Goodwin. Thank you so very much. I am here today because I am learning public speaking. I am here today because I want to improve the way I interact with my audience. I am here today because I work with this amazing company, Skyway, that has come up with an invention that will revolutionize transport globally. I am here today because I want to bring this message to you. I want you to understand the impact this transport is going to have with the world. I am here today because I want to take it to the limit, to the highest. Now, I want to thank Sardinas because he has been an amazing teacher. He has taught me so many things, how to stand firm, how to interact with the audience, how to inspire you, because I want you to learn what I've learned. I want you to change your life. I want to tell everybody who want to become a public speaker to look for Sardinas. And let me tell you something. Skyway is here to stay. Skyway is here to change lives. If you want to get in touch, if you want to know more about Skyway, look me up. My name is Patricia Goodwin. Skyway is here to stay. Patricia Goodwin on Facebook, Patricia Goodwin on Twitter, on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.